How to buy crypto on Bybit wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Vasnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy crypto on Bybit. Now you can do so on the Bybit website or the wallet itself. Now if you want to do it on the wallet application, you can download the Bybit from your Play Store or App Store that you can get on your device respectively. Now once you get it, you want to simply open it up and you want to make sure that you're logged into your account, and in order to buy Bybit you'll have to make sure that you have verified your identification. Now you'll have to complete the verification to deposit. So in my case I haven't completed, but I'll just be showing you how you can buy crypto once you have completed the verification. Now what you can do is, at the home page at the top you'll find the search bar, right? You can simply tap on that particular search bar and you can search for particular crypto that you're wishing to buy. Suppose you want to buy Bitcoin, you can simply type in BTC and you'll see the BTC USDT or BTC USD. You can see, you can tap on it, and once you tap on it there, you'll see their options. You can see various options. Similarly, if you just go ahead, and I'll just show you another one here. If you want to transfer fund, you can tap on the plus icon there and you can see deposit option. You can tap on deposit and you can choose an option to deposit, chain type, and then you can choose and deposit here. Once you have deposited, once you have verified your ID, you can simply search in for particular crypto that you're wishing to buy. You can tap on it there and you'll get down below long short option. You can tap on short or long and you can see you can get the option to buy. If you want to buy long and sell short and such option there, you can simply order price here, enter in your order price, quantity, etc., and you can tap on buy and you can go ahead and you'll be able to buy once you enter in the correct quantity. So this way you can buy crypto on Bybit. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.